Hello everyone, start off by drawing this dolphin. Draw 3 curved lines such and then join the top of it using another curved shape. At the top, draw a fin and then do this on the side and the bottom as well. Make an almost heart shape at the bottom and this will be the bottom fin. Color it in blue. Next, take a sheet of paper and then using a green marker, draw a B shape on it. Don't color it completely, leave a small circular shape in the center. Color this in yellow however, draw legs to the bottom and then add lines to the back that are curved. This is what it should look like. Draw hearts as well. Now, taking a black marker, draw a circular shape at the top. Make another small circle at the top and then color in the rest of it. Now, make smaller circular shapes behind it as such. Draw antenna at the top and then don't forget to draw on the legs. We will need 3 pairs of legs as such. Now, we will be learning how to draw this frog. Draw 2 inverted and 2 correctly on either side. At the top, draw a somewhat triangular-like shape and then attach 2 eyes to this triangular-like shape. At the bottom, draw the webbed feet. Do this for the top as well. Add the small little details as such and then color it in green once you are done. Next, start off by drawing 2 opposite S shapes. On either side, draw a B shape. At the top, draw on the ears and then make small little circles at the bottom for the little bunny tail. Make 2 cute little facial expressions and then draw a heart in the center. Color it in. Next, draw multiple circles along a line. At the back of the circle, draw an oval shape and then add some ears to it. Continue to draw the rest of the face, use the ears as well, and then draw on the paws and color it in any color as you please. Draw a circle on a sheet of paper and then on one of the sides, draw an abnormally formed heart-like shape. Then in the initial circle you have drawn on the eye and then draw on the beak. Draw on the legs of the bird as well. Now make a 3 shape on one of the papers. Draw another 3D addition to it. Add the small little ears and then at the bottom add the legs. Draw a cute little monkey tail at the back as well and color it in as you please. Now we will be learning how to make the squirrel. Start off by drawing a circle or an oval shape. At the top, add ears and then add a 6 shape at the bottom to make the body. Add a small little paw at the top and the bottom and then connect the 2. Add a little nut in the middle. Once you are done, add the bushy tail. Color it in as you please. We have used brown and orange. For our next craft, start off by drawing a semi-ovular shape on it. Make 2 more smaller ovular shapes right underneath it in the middle. Now draw a 3 shape in the middle. This will make the ears of the elephant. Draw small little nails for the elephant and don't forget to draw the tail. Start off by drawing 2 6 shapes on opposite sides as such. Connect the 2 and then add eyes to them. At the bottom, make a vase-like shape and then add a small little collar to it. Don't forget to add the tail as well as the legs. Color it. Start off by drawing 3 and then 2 more zeros on a paper. Taking the zeros, connect the 2 of them using an ovular shape. At the top, add ears. Add a cute little face to this as well. And now, connect this entire head with the 3 shape that you have initially seen, which will make the legs now. Draw 2 opposite facing ovular shapes at the top and then 2 more right underneath it. Draw a circle around it and then make the initial circles the eyes. We are making a panda. Draw on the rest of the body by adding multiple ovular shapes. Color it in as you please. Add some blush. Start off by adding a 2 shape, make 2 of these and then add a minus symbol in the center of them. On top of the second 2 shape, add a head. Add ears to it as well, add a plus symbol and there you have it. Thank you for watching.